Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Lance from NerfThis.TV. Today we're having a look at this. This is the Logitech G915 TKL and it's pretty cool. As a big fan of both Logitech keyboards and a TKL style keyboard, I've been really looking forward to this. Even at the exorbitant price that it is. Ooh, pretty. Also feels nice and solid in the hand. Okay, now just and there we have it. I must admit it feels nice and bulky. It's got your two stands on the back. And a place to store your dongle if you're moving around with it. That's quite nice. Let's put that over there. What else do we get here? Obviously the dongle and a adapter so that you can use their micro USB. Why are we still on micro USB? Nobody knows, but you can then use that to attach it, which I'm pretty sure we won't be doing. Nice braided cable though, that's pretty good. How to? Okay, even Logitech has started with the sticker craze. Suppose I can put this dongle down here and there. Okay, buy more of our stuff. And that's it. Okay, so the Logitech TKL keyboard fits into that nice small keyboard category that I really enjoy. So as soon as this came out, I obviously ordered one. Since then they've come out with the white version, which I would have preferred for my new studio setup that I'm busily trying to get done. But this keyboard itself is very good. There's a few reasons for that, and we'll get into that now. But I think first let's just have a look on the box. What do we do here? This is the linear one, so it's not the clicky one. I prefer the linear keys on most keyboards. It's light speed, so it's wireless. It's also got lighting. It says here that it can do 40 hours, and I found that fairly true. I mean, I have the RGB on the whole time that I'm using it, but it is quite aggressive when it switches off to save battery power, and I can generally get 2-3 days of just using it during the day before I have to plug it in to charge it. But then again, I can also plug it in while I'm using it, so it's not really that much of a big deal. Okay, so there's a lot about this keyboard that I really like. I like the low profile. As you can see, it's nice, and let me switch it off before I start starting and stopping things all over my Mac or my PC. It's a nice low profile, and with it being the linear keys, they're not as loud. Let me give you a little sample of just that. So as you can see, it's quiet, but obviously still a mechanical key. And as I said, the low profile suits me fine. I'm not a big fan of the big chunky keyboards. Let's go through the positives. The positives on this keyboard is you can switch between your light speed dongle, which obviously you'll have on your PC if you're using it for gaming, so that you get the low latency. And then you can obviously switch to Bluetooth as well. In my case, I use it to connect to the Mac and do my work, which I don't need low latency for. So Bluetooth is fine. You have a gaming switch to switch off your Windows key when you are gaming, and your different lighting levels, right down 3 of them and off. And you've got some media keys, and what first drew me to this keyboard is just the aesthetics of this nice big volume button here. I like being able to just adjust the volume on the fly there, and that's a nice way to do it. The keyboard build is excellent. It's solid aluminium or aluminum depending on where you are in the world, and it has 2 levels of adjustable feet, a nice low level and a slightly higher one, which I leave on because I like the angle. Also got a place for you to store your dongle in. Using this keyboard overall is very pleasing. It's nice. As I said, it's very tactile. Now we come to the downsides, and one of them is the price. This thing is exceptionally expensive. The only thing that I found more expensive than this is the straight G915, the bigger brother to this one. I can't say that I wouldn't buy it again even at that price. They are improving their software as well. It's the G Hub software. When I first got this and I installed it on my PC, the G Hub software, I still had the older version of the Logitech software, gaming software installed, and it was not a good idea. It just turned out to be a conflict between the older version of the software and the newer software. So when I eventually removed the older software, which I think the only reason I had it on there was I had an old MMO mouse, which Logitech doesn't even make anymore. But as soon as I removed that software, everything went fine. They've just received an update recently where you can now start doing the gaming settings on Mac as well. You know, change your lighting and all that type of thing. Nothing that you would really use on a Mac because, let's face it, we don't really game on Macs, but it's nice to have it there, and it is now available on an update. Final conclusions, I really like this keyboard. I would buy it again. In fact, I'm probably going to buy one of the white versions for my office and move this out to, I'm busy setting up a gaming room for myself and my sons, and I'll probably move this out to the gaming room and use the new white one in my office. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a set of videos on the construction of this gaming room, as it's been quite interesting. And obviously then I need to redo my office, which I'm slowly but surely starting. This is the reason why I'm running a green screen, is because you really don't want to see what the office looks like. Thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, all those lovely YouTuber cliches, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye.